Okay, here we have another great question. It says, prove that Pat is a isosceles triangle. Now, if you're having any trouble with this, just remember this. We know that something is an isosceles triangle if it has two sides that are congruent. So if you can prove that you have a triangle where two sides have the same length, then you've just proven that it is a isosceles triangle. And how would you prove that the sides have the same length? Well, I think you know how to take it from there. So let's move on to the second part of this question. I think this is maybe the more confusing part of it. This question says, state the coordinate of r so that quadrilateral PART is a parallelogram. Meaning what they want you to do is draw your 3 points, and I'm just going to make up some points right now. Let's pretend they gave you these 3 points, right, for your triangle. They're saying make these 3 points into a parallelogram now. So right now you're looking at a triangle, but you got to add another point so it looks like a parallelogram. Well, how would you do this? Well, you have to remember, one, opposite sides have to be parallel, okay? And that's really what's going to get you there. Now, there's a lot of ways to do a question like this, but I'm just making up some points here. One way that you might want to do it, and this is just how a suggestion, is just try drawing, extending your lines, okay, like so. So now I have two sides that are parallel, right? Now, I need my other line to be parallel to the line right here. So if I just go right here and I draw a parallel line, look, I got myself a parallelogram. And then you just go about proving that this is in fact a parallelogram. Really, you can eyeball this and figure out where that extra point has to go. There's a lot of fun ways to do it. All I really want you to do is play around with the points to figure out where that point goes. And make sure that you prove afterwards that this is in fact a parallelogram, meaning opposite sides are parallel. You got this. Peace out.